Good morning, student. Welcome to your online science class, sub-subject biology. Student, in last previous class, yesterday I have explained the some exercises of chapter number 9, reproduction in animals, the last chapter of the half yearly examination. Okay. So all of you get ready to write down the question answer and ready with pencil. I will mark it in your book because it is not possible to write down the all long question answer on the board. So please mention it in your book and write down in offline class. Means when you are free at home, not offline. Offline means in the school premises. Okay, so all of you ready with pencil, eraser, sharpener, pen and classwork copy. Today I will discuss about the long question answer and odd one out giving reason and formative assessment. Very short question answer which is coming in your half yearly examination. Okay. Question answer first. I am also open your book for the explanation of the question. Long question number 1. Describe the internal and external fertilization. I have already explained this. You are also able to write down this answer. But student, open the page number 38. External fertilization and internal fertilization heading. External fertilization. Write down complete. And internal fertilization. Okay, page number 138. Question answer number 2. Mention in your book, student, with the help of pencil. Describe the reproductive organs in human male. Page number 139. Describe the reproductive organs in the male. Page number 139. The male reproductive system. The male reproductive system. Okay, draw diagram also and write down all. the testes, the vas deferens, the urethra and the penis. Okay? Write down complete. Third, explain the process of fertilization in human beings. Explain the fertilization in human. Page number 130, 140, 140. Question answer number third. 140. Heading: process of fertilization in human beings. Fertilization in human being. Student, see page number 140. Fertilization in humans. This is the heading. From heading: in humans, fertilization occurs in the body of the female partner. The process of reproduction starts with matching, during which the male releases the male sex cells sperm into the body of the female. When sperm come to contact with an ovum, one of the sperm may fuse with egg. Such a fusion of sperm with the egg is called fertilization. Okay? So, from in this heading, in humans, from humans to fertilization. Question number generally fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube. Student, it is not given in your book, but you will learn this. Explain the formation of zygote. Answer number 4. You know, after the fusion of male and female gamete, zygote is formed. So, formation of zygote. So, page number 140. This is not a new question. This is part of this question, fertilization. But write down heading: fertilization in human. In the second paragraph, when sperm comes to contact, when sperm come to contact to plant zygote and figure. Okay, egg cell sperm contact to form zygote. Okay, page number 140. The second paragraph. This is the when, from when to zygote, and this is the diagram. Now next question is fifth. What is meant by metamorphosis? Open the page number 143. Metamorphosis and read. Question answer number 5th. Heading metamorphosis. Page number 143. At the page number 143, the metamorphosis, the transformation of the larva. The transformation of larva to metamorphosis. Till metamorphosis. Okay, so write down this one. It is also given in the so know you know, the last point, page number 145. The transformation of the larva into an adult silkworm and of tadpole into the frog through drastic changes is called metamorphosis. I hope you are on mark in your book, and I am going to section D, tick the odd one out giving reason. The topic changed. Tick odd one out giving reason. Student, I am not going to write down question. I will write only answer. Amoeba, frog, hydra, yeast. Amoeba, frog, hydra, yeast. Student, there are two types of the fertilization, asexual and sexual. So amoeba, hydra and yeast are produced by the asexual, while frog is sexual, by sexual process. So odd one mark frog because others are reproduces by asexual method. Second, cat, dog, cattle, fish. Cat, dog, cattle, fish. You know, student, fish is oviparous and rest are the viviparous. So, fish. Because others are viviparous animals. Third, cockroach, frog, hydra, birds. Cockroach, frog, hydra, birds. So hydra. because rest are egg laying animals. And hybridize to produce their young ones. Where is hybridize budding? 4. Penis, sperm, ovaries, testes. OVARIES. Because others are parts of male reproductive organs. If parasite yeast multiple fission, malaria parasite reproduced by multiple fission, while yeast is budding. So yeast, because it is produced by budding method. Write down string. And define the following terms. Omit this, not write down, because all these types of related question already given in long question answer. So omit this, not necessary, but you are all read and learn properly about the defined terms. It's very essential for the clearance of the concept. Now I am going to formative and summative assessment. Here exercises of formative and SUMMA summative ASSISS. So student, all of you ready to write down the answer with the help of pencil direct in your book. This answer already given in the back side of your book. See the chapter name and chapter, and tally your answer with question very carefully. So I am explaining this in your online class. So all of you get ready to tick the answer with pencil A. First, which of the following is related to the sexual reproduction? Vegetative propagation, asexual, fertilization, sexual, binary and multiplication are the method of asexual. So tick the on B. B is correct. Second, internal fertilization occurs in female body A. Third, in which female reproductive organs does the embryo get embedded? So no embryo embedded with the uterus, wall of uterus, from where they get their nutrients, oxygen from the mothers. Okay, so babies or fetus development to the baby till the birth. So in which female reproductive organ does the embryo or get embedded? In uterus. C. 4. The number of nuclei present in a zygote. The number of nuclei present in a zygote. Student, one from male, one from female. So the total number of zygote fourth B 1. The number of nuclei present in a zygote is B 1. Last, fifth. The process leading to the fusion of the gametes in plant and animal is called. The process of leading the fusion of gametes in plants and animal is called, student? Whatever the asexual or sexual, both are called fertilization is B. Okay, one word B. One word answer. First, the method of reproduction in which both the parents male and female are needed. This is sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, both parents are required, male and female. When the fusion of the gametes of the male and female takes place inside the body of female, this is called internal fertilization. Internal fertilization. Third, the animals which give birth to the young ones, viviparous, animals. Fourth, the stage of the embryo when all the body parts can be identified. All the body parts, zygote form, zygote develop into the embryo and embryo develop into the fetus. After all body part develop, when all body part develop, it goes to the fetus, which attached to the body of the uterus. F-O-E-T-U-S, fetus. Transformation of larva into an adult squirrel and the tadpole into a frog, this is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. Student, metamorphosis increases to adding the iodine in the life cycle of the frog. Metamorphosis, it is stages increases and become fast to formation of adult. In this state, tails disappeared and adult form. So, adding iodine salt, metamorphosis steps increases. Match the column. C. A. Reproduction is generally sexual. E. Fertilization, after fertilization, zygote form. A. Third, ovaries found in female. B. 4. Embryo is the embedded in the wall of the uterus. C. And hydra is the bisexual because the both male and female are found in the same part of the body. Write down today's homework. Complete all exercises of chapter number 7 in your pair and learn it. Okay, learn chapter based practice paper, learn practice paper, page number 148. Okay, student. Now I am going to leave your class, student. Please write down all the homework and to complete, because after this is today the last online class. After this I will revise your half yearly examination. Okay. Now this is your responsibility to write and complete and learn properly all exercises of half yearly examination. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.